Nice. No way. I wasn't gonna buy a whole adapter.
But why did he say that?
Bought this. Hey there, mamas. Hi. Damn. Get your ear butter, ear butter. Where are we going? Huh? We're going to... Okay, you're too excited. Think about it. I'm gonna go to Best Buy right now to see if... Go get a laptop. I gotta edit my videos. I've been behind. And... yeah, I'm just with this little one here. Look at you. Okay. It's so funny. What would you?
Oh, I'm gonna take the iPad just in case.
You want to put it in there, Anakin?
I put it because I'm gonna sit in the front. Because you have to bring it to when I'm driving.
Yeah. We're leaving you guys. I see you guys for you guys in.
Is it recording? No, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, it's recording?
Yeah.
We're at Chick-fil-A right now. We're gonna get breakfast, but we're a little late on the breakfast, so yeah, we're not. It ended at 10:30 and it's 11:30, but yeah.
Hi guys, I'm back. So I'm here at Best Buy. I came here see if I got a laptop. I don't know if I maybe a desktop, maybe, but cause I have to obviously edit my videos, and cause I would edit them on my sister's iPad, but she moved out, so she obviously took her laptop with her iPad. Yeah, we're gonna just see what they have. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I'm gonna get a laptop. Yeah. She's ready.
She's ready.
She's ready.
iPhone 14?
You wanna watch? Huh?
You want Apple Watch? What time? Oh yeah, I didn't bring her bag, so I just changed her diaper.
Yeah, I just want to show you guys what I ended up getting. Is the MacBook. The MacBook Pro. There you can see it. I got the 16-inch with the 1 terabyte of memory. Well, 1 terabyte SSD. Let's open. But yeah, nice. So, I guess they only had silver, they said, like silver gray. Let's see. Yeah, it is. Good charger. So it's not that long though. Kind of. There it is. Yeah. And here's the adapter for this. Yeah, very nice. Yeah, there's a hole right here. we don't need to switch it. It's open. Oh, nice. Yeah. There's a motivation to edit more videos. The black, like, it's nice. No way. This laptop has for the SD card, and I wasn't gonna buy a whole adapter.
But why didn't he say that?
Look, it has the mic, everything. Damn, look at,
We can return
look
it.
at this. Now, like, give me the bag here for the adapter. That's so crazy. That is something. Literally, I bought this because, you know, the MacBooks are known for not having this in it. Get in, I didn't open this.
You might have some things because the MacBooks don't come.
That's crazy. I might turn into it later, for sure. I might turn it out later, for sure. That's everything with the 1, 2, HDMI.
Because the MacBook Airs, they don't have that, you know that?
Okay, that's that. Well, the only thing that it doesn't have is for the USB. Yeah. See, that's the HDMI. Oh, it's backwards. That's the HDMI. I think for something else, and then the SD card right there, and the mic, the microphone, and the tip of like the C, and the charger. Hopefully it charges.
Do you like to break it?
No, don't break it. Oh, you heard it? You heard it? Turn on. It's loading. This is huge. Huh?
Makes the sound?
Yeah.
The MacBook Airs don't make it anymore.
No. Oh, look at it. That's like. Hello. Yeah. That's so cool. Hey, what does it say? Enjoy. Look, it's a whole message. Oh, different languages. Damn, what the hell? This thing. I don't know what language is that. And that's from. I think that's from the ancient times, huh? That's crazy. Look at this one right here. That's just crazy. No, this one, look at. Oh, how crazy. You never know. But some look in English and don't know. Eh? Well, I gotta make an ID and stuff, huh? Alright. You guys, Yeah, and yeah, we're making some noodles. Yeah, I don't know what kind.
Spicy noodles?
Yeah, just spicy noodles and the red ones. And yeah, well, yeah, I'm busy on with the with the iPad. I mean, with the MacBook. Yeah, I got videos on the way. Don't worry about that. With the maybe by next week I'll pull one up. You know what? Let's see. English, yes. English. Select the country. Mexico. No. United States. Oh, perfect. Is no. Not now, okay. No. What's your Wi-Fi? Don't worry, I got you guys.